Welcome back, viewers, radio listeners all over the world. Tune, IM Radio, YouTube, Facebook, Dig, Yearbook, My Life. Every one of you, respect. We praise God together, yes. When I finally got on Facebook, I like chatting with my friends. Yo, yo. When I finally got on Facebook, I like chatting with my friends. Facebookers, they write a lot of LOL when chatting. LOL is all over. What the hell is LOL? Oh, what the hell is LOL? Then I freak out and I ask my friend CODY of Kansas. He said, "Tonyajayi, don't freak out." Oh. Tonyajayi, don't freak out. LOL is laughing out loud. LOL is laughing out loud. Oh well, this is all I know to do from Africa. Ha 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 ha, laughing out loud. Ah ha ha ha, ah ha ha ha, oh, laughing out loud. Yeah, Facebookers, laughing out loud. Ah, Facebookers, let's laughing out loud. LOL, we laughing out loud. Laughing out loud, laughing out loud. Thank you.